Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got another video. In this video I'll show you how you can go ahead and see who viewed your Instagram profile. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get started. When you go to your Instagram profile and when you want to go to your profile and if you want to see that whether your account has been viewed by how many people or who, apparently Instagram does not have an official feature for that because of the privacy concern. Instead, you do have a professional dashboard if you have a professional account or a business account, which shows your insights, the views that your profiles have gotten, the followers, the contents that you have shared, etc, etc. Here you can go ahead, check out there. It will not show you the account itself. It will simply show you the stats, the numbers. What you can do is you can simply go ahead, go back, and when you upload a story, there will be a story views. So with that as well, you can see that how many people are viewing your stories, how many people are actively active on your account itself. That's how you can know. Now, those are the only available options for you to check it out, the interactions with other people, but you cannot check out the views on your profile. That's it. Hope this video helped. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in our next video.